Okay, I've already removed the screw for this line from right here. You can take that line out of there by wiggling it out and pull it out of place. I'm going to pull the bottom line up first before I remove the top line. And that's only because you don't want fluid dripping out while you work onto you while you're working on the bottom line. Removal of the bottom radiator hose, which is right here, is done by removing this clip. There's a clip right here similar to the clip on the top hose. Pry that clip all away. It will lock in place when you pull it out. It won't come all the way out. You can take it all the way off if you wish, but you don't have to. So you just use that screwdriver up in here and pry it out in that direction. But before you pull this hose off, make sure you drain the radiator. You can drain it by taking off the temperature sensor, which is already out here. Or on the front, there is a plastic plug, that red plug right there that you can loosen up and the fluid will drain out, the coolant will drain out.